Hello everyone, welcome to Eisenberg, Bavaria. It's 10 a.m, very sunny, and we're about to visit two old castles. Most probably ruins, but apparently the view is very nice around. For the area around, look at that, nice landscape. Huh? Nice view, eh? Let's get the drone out. Sketchy. Puede ser, creo que puede estar. Okay, this is the second ruin. It's 5 minutes walk from the first one. Okay, so it took us just under 2 hours to visit the two ruins. You need to walk up and down, but it's okay. We did it with a 6-year-old, it's fine. And when you're done, there's like a beer garden here, so you can have a drink, some food. There are toilets also. The parking is here. We are a bit below 500 meters, so you can park, you can have a drink, food. It's very nice. It's all free, and yeah, it's nice. So I recommend. If it's warm like it is for us today, don't forget to have water. And that's it. Okay, hit the like button, subscribe, and see you soon for some more. Fly around the world checking out. Tschüss.